Aircraft making a condensation trail is very similar in many ways to when you go outside on a cold day and exhale, you create a condensation trail. That little cloud is a condensation trail. Now, if you take a 2-mile walk on a cold day, and you can turn around and you can see your condensation trail tracking all the way back for 2 miles. That's how crazy it is to think that what we're looking in the sky is actually condensation trails.
The contrails, not the chemical, the contrails occur because it's cold air, minus 30. It takes high altitude, around 30,000 feet plus. There's carbon dioxide and water vapor in that exhaust. That turns to ice crystals. That's what you see, the white stream behind it. Those white crystals of ice warm up, dissolve, and the smoke goes away. And it never lasts more than a minute. What we're seeing now, and I first could not believe it, and I started looking at the skies, and these are not normal. They're not natural. There's something going on. I don't know who it is or why they're doing it. All I can testify is it's not natural. It's not.
This one
2 decades has been a mystery as to what the jets are spraying on
turning
us.
off and on.
Finally, we know the source material of these jet chemtrails. Coal ash is reprocessed to create chemtrail base mixture. Chemtrail residues in rainwater have the same mix of toxic metals as those found in coal ash and coal-burning power plants. Such a huge amount of chemtrails is sprayed every day. There is no other source of these nanometal oxides except coal ash. Fly ash and bottom ash are
Not a commercial flight pattern.
Fly ash is rich in
Not
aluminum oxide,
passenger
about 30%, which is the main chemical found in chemtrail rainwater tests. Coal combustion waste from power plants is the biggest industrial waste stream in the world. About 120 million tons created each year in the USA alone. Over 50 million tons of fly ash is created in the USA each year by processing coal combustion waste. Over 40% of U.S. coal ash production is reprocessed into cement, road base, drywall, bauxite, shingles, plastic filling, and non-publicized uses like chemtrail mix. The use of fly ash has more than doubled since chemtrails began in the mid-1990s. Chemtrails account for millions of tons of coal ash reuse every year. The secret chemtrail mix is labeled component of flowable fill in coal ash industry documents. 39% of the electricity generated in the U.S. is made by burning coal. Disposing of the ash at each coal-burning power plant is a $1 billion problem, with most ash put in nearby landfills at a very high cost. After the Kingston, Tennessee coal ash spill in 2008, the electric utility paid over $1 billion and spent over 5 years to clean it up. The secret chemtrail program receives fly ash from coal-fired power plants at a very low cost, since the power plant operators are trying to get rid of the ash. Railroad or barge transportation makes it easy to move millions of tons of processed fly ash to secret air bases. All coal electric utilities use transportation, such as railway, to bring coal to the plant. Therefore, it's very easy to remove the fly ash. The low cost of the fly ash, the existing processing facilities, the easy transportation, all out in the open, and the lack of public awareness concerning coal waste make fly ash the ideal source material for the secret chemtrail program. Patent number 5003186 describes cooling the earth with metal oxides sprayed into the stratosphere. Fly ash has the right size and mixture of metal oxides, so a minimum amount of processing is needed to create a ready-to-spray, water-based chemtrail slurry. Coal fly ash has the correct size, 10 to 100 microns according to the patent. 2 to be used as a Welsbach reflected material and sprayed in the upper atmosphere. In addition to aluminum, rainfall testing shows a variety of toxic metals, which are all found in coal ash, depending on the source of the coal. This rainfall test from Chico, California has high readings in aluminum and barium. This rainfall test from Orange County, Florida shows high aluminum every day and high barium.
That is
Coal
not
ash
a
is
flight,
composed
commercial
primarily of
flight
oxides
pattern.
of silicon,
This is
aluminum,
not a passenger
iron,
flight pattern.
calcium, magnesium, titanium, thallium, sodium, potassium, arsenic, mercury, and sulfur, plus small amounts of radioactive uranium and thorium. Barium, Ba, is always present in coal ash and is found in most chemtrails. This California rainfall test shows aluminum, barium, and strontium over a 2-month period in January 2014. Fly ash with low barium may have barite mined and added before spraying. Coal ash has dangerous amounts of radioactive uranium, radium, and thorium. Chemtrailed areas are being poisoned in depleted uranium, naturally occurring uranium-238. Radioactive uranium is found in all coal ash. Radioactive thorium is a Welsbach material and is found in the most common type of coal ash, bituminous and subbituminous. Welsbach materials pattern shows how aluminum oxide, thorium oxide, and other mineral oxides can reflect sunlight back into space in an attempt to cool the planet. However, barium is not mentioned as a Welsbach reflective material. Barium is not a reflective metal. Why is it found in chemtrail rainwater tests? According to Jim Phelps, the father of the chemtrail program, barium is used to remove fluoride from the atmosphere caused by coal pollution. Before the fluoride coated methane